So, as most of you know, we bought a 10th gen, and since we bought the 10th gen, decided to buy every LED bulb that LED Guys offers for it. When it comes to their LED bulbs, it's essentially everything's plug and play. Even with the factory projectors, they shine pretty good. And then we have high beam. We have reverse lights, and also have their blinky tail lights. All right, so the tail lights, they're not on until you hit the brakes. And then they light up red and flash to really grab somebody's attention. The good purpose with the tail lights is they blink, so it really grabs the person's attention behind you, so they don't rear end you. But that's pretty much it. I mean, they have everything from 8th gens, 9th gens, 10th gens. They have kits for those cars. Subarus, as long as you really know the bulb size, they could probably make you a kit, or you can buy them individually. But I have them in my EM1. I have their headlights in my EM1. They like change colors and do all kind of crazy shit. But pretty much, if you guys are having trouble seeing at night or just want to upgrade to LEDs, then LED Guys is the way to go. You can get at them at Instagram. They're at LED Guys, and I believe they have a website as well.